Hello everyone, welcome to Lekker Treats and thanks for being here. Today I'll be sharing with you a simple recipe that will make your day anytime, anywhere. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel for amazing food related content. All ingredients are listed in the description box below. We'll begin by marinating our chicken wings with garlic, onion, thyme, paprika, chili, white pepper, ginger powder, and salt. Give it a good massage. Add some oil and continue rubbing the spices on the chicken wings. Cover with a cling film and allow to marinate for at least 30 minutes. After marinating, we'll proceed to air fry at 180 degrees for 8 minutes. Using the air fryer draws out lots of fat from the chicken wings. After 8 minutes, we'll flip over the chicken wings and air fry again for another 8 minutes. Next, we'll brush the chicken wings with some barbecue sauce. Be generous with the sauce. We'll be air frying at 180 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, we'll flip them over. And then air fry them for the final time for 4 minutes. And our chicken wings are done. Another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. Great to be enjoyed with just about anything. I'll be having mine with some fries and salad at the side. This recipe can be done in the oven. Kindly let me know in the comment section if you want me to show how I make them in the oven. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, like, and comment if you ever try this recipe out. Until I come your way again, it's bye!